Every journey begins with a question, a problem someone chooses not to walk past, an idea that refuses to stay small. The Entrepreneurship and Innovation Center of IIM Bangalore, NSRCL, was envisioned as a bridge between academic insight and entrepreneurial learning. Over the years, it has evolved into a trusted incubator with the mission to catalyze entrepreneurship ecosystem, bring together entrepreneurs, academia, and industry, and foster fundamental research in entrepreneurship. From first-time founders to sector-shaping ventures, our doors have remained open to anyone ready to build. For over 2 decades, we've supported founders as they move from problems to prototypes, from early revenue to scale. Across these 25 years, the stories have been many. Ideas built in small rooms becoming real companies. First-time founders becoming consistent builders, and early experiments growing into ventures that solve critical challenges and create meaningful change. Some of these journeys stand out. Mitti Cafe, proving how entrepreneurship can give rise to inclusive employment to specially abled and scale at the same time. Dial 4242, transforming emergency response with accessible, reliable ambulance services. Supply 6, simplifying nutrition with science-backed, ready-to-consume formats. True Assist, enabling precision customer support through AI-driven workflows. Bolar Alta, redefining warehousing and logistics through drone-powered automation. Multiple, reshaping financial discipline through goal-based planned spending and savings. These are only a few among the thousands of founders who trusted us with their vision. Our work has reached 82 plus towns across India, powered by a community of 100 plus mentors across diverse domains. And in the financial year of 2020-24 and 25 alone, our incubated ventures collectively raised 134 crore rupees in funding. Our work is supported by partners who share a commitment to entrepreneurship. We strengthen the entrepreneurial pipeline through focused verticals, supporting women founders, nurturing emerging incubators, and building deep capability across climate tech, sustainable mobility, fintech, deep tech, healthcare, and student-led innovation. And along the way, the ecosystem took notice. We were recognized by Niti Aayog as one of the top-performing startup incubators in the country and won the award for Best Incubation Center at the Entrepreneur Startup Awards. And we'll continue to be right here, steady, committed, and ready for the next idea that chooses to take flight. None of this would have been possible without the continued support of those who have shared our vision and made this journey a success.